the way the video gets displayed on your computer depends on what kind of computer you have, and one display method may be good for one system while another display method is good for another system. So to change that out, you can go to settings right here, and then here you can see display method is an option, and right now OpenGL is what I am selecting. So depending on your graphic card and your system, different display methods such as DirectX or maybe software may be good. If you don't know which is the best display method, then you can go to automatic right here, and as soon as you selected, the software will restart and then the display method will be changed out. So you can select DirectX or software right here. So if I were to click on this, it says you must restart Shotcut to change the display method, as you can see right here. So I'm not going to restart it, but once you do, your software will be restarted and the video will be rendered out by using that particular way. So what happens is that if I were to play this right now, it is quite smooth, but what might happen is that your system may be lagging or something when you use a particular system, especially when you use software. It might be a problem. So if you have a graphic card, then you may want to select out the OpenGL or DirectX according to what works best for you. And that is how you can change out the display method inside of Shotcut. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.